Hello students, welcome once again, and we have a Taylor series question over here. Now we have to determine the Taylor series for the function f of s being equal to x to the power 6e to the power 2s cubed about s being equal to 0. Now in general, the Taylor series is given by, in general the Taylor series is given by if you have f of s, then it is equal to the summation infinity n equal to 0, then f of a, then to the power n, then x minus a, then to the power over n factorial. And writing out the series, then let's say we started from n equal to 0, then which means that n will be 0 over here, then a. Now if n is 0, then this goes to 1, so let's leave it this way. Then the next series will be given by it will be 1, then x minus a, then we have 1 over here over 1 factorial. Now this is 0 factorial, and 0 factorial is just 1. Then we have f of that, so that is for f to the power 2. Then we have a here, x minus a, then we have squared over 2 factorial. Then we can go on and write the rest of the series. So basically in general the Taylor series is given by this. So from the question where we have f of x being equal to s to the power 6 e to the power 2s cube. So if we have this at s being equal to 0, then what we have to do is that in writing out the general series, we are going to look at the general series over here, then we can write it out. Okay, so we have we can have f of 6, we can bring this out so that we can have e to the power 2s cube. So let's write at f of s being equal to this, so we are going to take this. Now we are substitute this out or factorize this out, so that when we get the series of these, then we can multiply it with it. So looking at this, we have this to the power that, so we realize that when s is 0, when you put 0 at the top, then we are having 1. Then along the line, when we are differentiating, going on to the next one, when we differentiate this along the line, we are going to get so we have this, we still have 0, because when s is 0, when we have 0 along the line, so it will just be 0 0 along the line. So we have this. So in general, writing out the series of these, we're going to use this to do it. So we have f of x, which is being equal to x to the power 6 e, then to the power 2s cube is just e6 outside, then the summation of all of that. Now this is when the general equation is when x is being equal to a, so that in this case what we are talking about, we know s is equal to 1, so therefore in this case a is just equal to 0. Then if that is the case, then we have n equal to 0 here. Now writing is general one, we have f of a. Remember when we did over here the first f of x, which is just f of a, we had 1, so we can write 1 here. Then for x minus a is just 0, so we can have the power over here, which is just 2s cube minus 0, then to the power n, then divided by n factorial. So in general, the function of this in terms of Taylor series, then we have this. So we can have this as the summation of infinity n equal to 0. Then we have e to the power 6, then 2s cube, then n, because 0 goes away, then n factorial. So we can have summation infinity n equal to 0, then we can have e, this is to the power that, so we can have sorry, it is s to the power 6, s to the power 6, sorry, s to the power 6, so we can have 2 to the power n, then also we can have s to the power 3n and multiplied by s to the power 6, and then factorial. Then finally we can have n equal to that, 2 to the power n, then x, we have 3n plus 6 over n factorial. So all of this is just equal to s to the power 6 and e to the power 3s cubed. So basically this is what we have and how to represent that in a Taylor series. I hope this video was helpful, and if this is your first time on this channel, we post solve question on calculus, trigonometry, algebra and all that. So if you like this video, like the video and also subscribe to the channel and keep the notification on, so that anytime we post a video you'll be the first to get it. So thank you very much for joining me in this section. We'll meet for another section, and also have a nice day.